on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making stuffed pepper soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of uncooked white rice, 1 pound of ground beef, 14.5 ounces of petite diced tomatoes, 15 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 medium orange bell pepper chopped, 1 medium green bell pepper chopped, 1 small onion diced, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have grated Parmesan cheese for topping at the end, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, you want that divided, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, and also 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder. In a pot over medium heat, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my orange bell pepper, my green bell pepper, and also my onion. You want to let that saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add in my ground beef. Just going to go in and break it down and make sure it's mixed well with the veggies. Now you want to let it continue to cook until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to drain it of all excess grease. Once you drained it of all the grease, you want to go ahead and add in your minced garlic, your ground black pepper, your adobo all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, your onion powder. And we're just going to mix everything until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add in my petite diced tomatoes. I'm also going to add in my tomato sauce. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Next, I'm going to add in my beef broth. I'm going to add in my white rice, my Italian seasoning, and Worcestershire sauce. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined, and you want to let it come up to a boil. Guys, you can go ahead and taste it, and if you need to add any more seasoning and adjust it to your liking, you can do it now. I'm going to add in my half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Just going to go ahead and mix it. Once it comes to a boil, you want to place your lid over top. We're going to lower it to low. You're going to let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is tender. Guys, make sure you stir occasionally. Okay guys, our soup is now done. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our stuffed pepper soup is really delicious. I have my grated Parmesan cheese, and this is optional, but you can go ahead and sprinkle a little bit over top. And there you have it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?